Hello, folks. My name is Jan. I'm with the Fairy and Human Relations Congress, or the Gaian Congress, which is called online. And every third Saturday of the month, we have a workshop. And so this Saturday, or Saturday, November 15th, Michelle McKinney will be presenting Meeting Your Guardian Tree Spirit. And I'm going to interject there's been a theme through this year on the different types of spirit helpers, ancestors, Sasquatch, plants, different beings that can work with us as spirit helpers. And this Saturday, November 15th, we're going to be looking at trees. Who is your guardian tree spirit, and how do we work with tree spirits? So, Michelle, I am really delighted to to have you with the Fairy Congress again. And I'm going to be putting all the links to your bio, where to get tickets, etc., in the description here.
Great.
So, what can you tell us about meeting your guardian tree spirit, and why is this important?
Yeah, that's a great question. It's not this weekend, it's the weekend after.
Right. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
November
Just
15th.
yeah, just to be it's Mercury retrograde, so clarification is a good thing. Um, there's so many things about guardian tree spirits. When I first started teaching, I had a little bit on tree spirits, and we went around and everyone told a story, and it was so profound. And people who met their tree spirits said that it's much more important to them than their power animals. Like they felt a closer connection with them than a lot of times their power animals, even. And so I got really curious about that. And then I was asked to do a presentation for um, something that Kim Wilborn does, and it was called Your Guardian Tree Spirit, like webinar or something like that years
Hmm.
ago.
Yeah, I remember that.
Yeah. So I, I think that trees, um, trees are often overlooked as a guardian spirit. A lot of people don't know that they can be kind of classified as a guardian spirit. um, like our power animals or teaching spirits or guardian angels, for example. Trees can also be a guardian spirit. And most people have had some incredible experiences with trees, um, whether it's gazing at them out a window for half their life or climbing in it and finding peace and solace there. Whether it's working with wood or something like that, making drums out of the wood. Um, or making homes out of wood, or it just it's there. But I think we overlook them and take them for granted. And I also, we were talking earlier, I think other like birds kind of steal the show, especially crows or birds like that. They kind of steal the show um, in our landscapes. So, um, but I had a student once who was a medical doctor, and he was always wondering why he was taking my first year course or taking my course that I have. And a few years later, I followed up with him and asked him, if he was journeying or using the work in any way. And he said, well, mostly I walk my dog every day. And now I talk to the trees and they talk back to me. And that just gave him so much, such richness in his life. And it helped him understand being more of an introvert, just accepting himself for who he was in a field of other professionals that like being out there, like presenting and things. And he was just a quiet person. So I think it helped him connect just who he truly is. So
Well, that's really beautiful. That is,
mhm,
and I think that's kind of that's that's strong medicine. If we can be really who we authentically are.
mhm.
Um, so November 15th, I'm going to put all the links, tickets. It's on Zoom. It will be recorded. If you can't make it, you can get access to the recording. I'll send that to you.
Okay.
So, Michelle, thank you so much, and look
Thank
forward to seeing
you.
you.
Yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. There's a lot more about trees. I mean, that was like one of the things. I'm a little bit of a geek about them, and so are you, as I understand.
we are tree geeks.
We'll have a
Yes.
lot of fun. Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Okay.
Thank you.